there's two meese. Actually, they're moose. Is it plural of a moose, meese? Like mice and mouse? I doubt it, but there's two moose. That's a big moose. Look how big that sucker is. Try to get a little bit closer. I can't. Look at these guys. Uh-oh, he's looking at me. I don't want to get any closer. Just out here, just enjoying themselves, eating bark. Wow. A moose. Oh, well, here's nature. Oh, there's a little baby moose. That's a baby moose. That's a mommy moose right there. A baby moose and a mommy moose. Wow. Cool. No antlers. Too early. There you go. Cal Root Pagan Wife, The Lost RVers. Go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, it's a little bit freaky now. Who brought that out for defensive purposes? We heard some kind of high-pitched scream right over there. High-pitched. And then over there somewhere, we heard a ooh, like a ooh, but kind of rumbling low. We're freaking out. It's not even dark yet. But we're gonna make some. Tonight's menu is pork and beans on buns. Yeah. My wife's going, oh shit, you're crazy. All right, we'll be back. Right face forward, ho, left, right, go to your left, right, go to your left, right. Girlfriend was home when you left you right. Johnny was home when you left you right. Sound off. 1, 2, right here, people. I'm telling you, right here, right along. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring it on down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Started over here, right? It was still daytime, kind of twilight when it was all started. We're parked here. This is all swamp. Kind of the river runs through. You saw it. It's on the tape. It started way back here. Kind of freaked us out. Then it moved here. Kind of freaked us out. This was over the course of about an hour and a half. And then all of a sudden, when you saw the tape of me saying, shh, 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 oh, expletive, we were right here. And whatever it was right there. Now, the river's coming down like this, right? So the river bent. You get pictures of that. That's where that barbed wire was right there. I have pictures of it. We were right there because that was a kind of a, well, you saw it. There's brush and trees around us. There's a little kind of a U out where you can pull out. And that thing screamed, and it was right there below us, about 10 feet in the creek bed. That's when we freaked out. Wow. Yep. This is Monterey Bay. Our next stop will be the Sunset. Unless they got it coordinated or quarantined off. Yes, sirree, Bob. Trip number 24, RV trip number 24 with Cal Root Pagan Wife, known as the Lost RVers. Now we're starting to do it. See ya. Ready for this, folks? Pretty poor rendition, huh? But we're getting desperate. This is RV road trip number 22. See ya. Here's the Inferno Cone overlook. There's the mural of it, and there it is right there. My wife wants to walk up there. I can't do it, but I'll watch her do it. Oh, here comes a camper. Yay, a Corona Rebel. There it is. Inferno Cone. It's views at the top. See ya. So, 1, 2, 3 lines going in and 1 coming out, right? Normally this would be bumper to bumper. I'm right in the center of the entry to Yellowstone National Park, Grand Tetons. Traveling Robert, you were here. It took you forever to get in. I am standing in the middle of it. National Park, no public entry. Please turn around. National Parks closed, no public entry. Please turn around. Oh, there's Yellowstone, the entrance too. And there's the F-50. And there's the Mesa Ridge. And there is the entrance. The entrance to Yellowstone National Park, Grand Tetons. So there is no place to camp. We're going to try to go scab someplace. They want $100 a night for one RV park. $100 a night because they know we're stranded. Terrible thing. The lost RVers. Can you believe this? I mean, I'm just fixated on it, man. I'm in the middle lane going into Yosemite. Bye. 5 miles on this road. Spooky. And it's full of potholes, big potholes. House is over there. There's a little creek right down there. When this goes, I think that's the ridge way ahead. You can kind of see it off in the distance. All right. Hi, Ichimama. We'll be back. Bye. The Lost RVers. Subscribe to the channel. There goes my. Old Town Grass Valley shut down from the COVID. People are just walking around eating. This is. Check it out, Eric. Check this out. This is. I like this. This is great. No flatlanders.
Oh yeah, there are.
Oh my, look, aliens.
Oh wow. Oh my god.
Look at this. People are shut down. Aliens.
Gonna make a scarecrow. We did that.
Oh. They even have live music, like, you know, this is people. There's not a mask on the face down here. I mean, they're getting into it, dancing in the streets. Look at that down there, Patty.
Huh?
Dancing in the streets.
Oh yeah.
Oh. All right, we'll be back. Here we have Shadow of the Teton, buttered pan-fried ribeye steak with sour cream and chives, mashed potato, and a freshly tossed green salad with blue cheese dressing. And for dessert, this is the 21FB Mesa Ridge freezer, frozen Snicker bars, and believe it or not, these things are frozen solid. And the best part is it. So really, can you get any better than this? This is about the front door of our. Look at this. This is the Grand Teton. Now it was covered. It was covered in clouds just a while ago. The sun broke right over the mountains, burnt off all the clouds. Get closer. I can get closer even. Look at that. Right outside our front door. During coronavirus shutdown, the world shut down, and we just said, you know what? We gotta go. We gotta do it. Too much invested not to do it. But we're having a blast and finding some just outrageous camping spots. We are the Lost RVers. It's the only way we found this spot. All right, bye.